that shit, nigga, just pricey as fuck. Yeah, getting them tires on the back of my car, cause I can't drift, nigga, just wanna be a style. Yeah, Ryan Turk and my 2JZ, nigga, getting fucking burnt.
Yeah, my nigga Bernie getting turned, we ain't giving no fucks, we getting loud, yeah, I said we proud, yeah, we on a fucking proud, I'm like a lion, you can't help what I'm doing, Lion Zion, and I said I'm Bob Marley, and I got the fucking Rasta Ferrari, and the Ferrari, and I get it like I got your Bugatti, I said, I got the Bugatti in the garage, don't give a fuck if you're trying to sit back and just do a menage, ha!
Yeah, got the artifact rocker, shit's noodly as fuck, call it fucking soccer, yeah, shit's gay for a little fucking foot fairy faggot fucks that can't skate, nigga, yeah, just cruising on fucking 15th and Poplar, hitting fucking gnarly shit, when them niggas be lurking, yeah, don't wanna fuck with that shit past fucking night, nigga, yeah, getting sketchy in the skate park when it's dark, hitting the niggas trying to steal your fucking skateboards. Yeah, trying to hit your blunt cause they little scabs smokers and they can't afford shit, nigga. Yeah, people at the skate park, fucking douchebags, and we wanna just fucking whap them. Yeah, got Cody Rogers about to give him the 2-piece, nigga, he's just a little bitch.
2-piece on the lease for the car, talking about that shit going very far, that's the end.